Hello, my name is Alejandra Montero Rincon. The continue present simple, the blog Classroom English grade 17. 1. Grammar. Grammatical rules. Student read simple present tense, mode affirmative, mode interrogative, mode negative, and identify structure, affirmative sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence, and teacher explanation of structures and the use verb in the present tense. The continuing activity, video question 4, 2, activity 2, students identify vocabulary and use of the question: when, where, what, what, and identify important the use adverb times. For example, always, every day, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, hard, ever. The video with vocabulary.
¿Cuándo? ¿Cuánto?
And pronunciation. Okay? Finish activity. The continue identify text. Student read the text and identify vocabulary. And practice exercise. Yes? The continue answer to the question. Finish quiz. View question. Yes? Answer correct. Correct. Finish activity number 3. Number 4, example sentence. Student practice and identify sentence type question. For example, which year are you going to dress the child? Student identify which, cuál, where, dónde, which, cuál, we, por qué, when, cuándo, how, cuánto, how much, cuánta, where is, dónde está, how often, qué tan, what did you, a quién visitaste, what was, de quién, how many, cuántos, amigos, which, qué, when, cuándo, how old, cuántos, what is, cuál es, how does, cómo, where is, dónde, what is, cuál es, what, quién, qué tipo, where did, dónde. Okay, finish the sentence and the listen audio. law in practice. In the continued vocabulary, students identify vocabulary. Students listening audio.
You look down. What's wrong?
My wife. We don't see each other quite often.
Why? How often?
The continued activity, student identify transcription, conversation in Spanish. The continued quiz. And finish the question. And finish quiz, view question. Okay, is correct, incorrect, answer, finish activity. The finish activity, the present simple, student writing 3 sentences in his notebook of the 3 forms and socialization of your sentence in the class. Finish activity, the present simple.